I'm John Bentley with Earth and Turf Attachments, and I'm here today to talk to you about our clamp-on receiver hitches we have for tractors. And this will work on most any size tractor as long as the cutting edge will go underneath this area right here. So basically all it does is very simple. Slides onto the bucket. This rod goes underneath, so it tightens on the bucket, and then basically you just clamp it down so it's tight. And now you're ready to just put a ball in or drop a pin through and go pick up stuff and move it. We make this front piece here 9 inches wide to give us more stability when we get it on. When we get it tight on there, it gives it more stability to the left and right so it can't move as easily. Now that didn't move because it's not tight yet, but you get her tightened down. You can use a pipe on here and get her tighter yet. But this is our receiver. It comes with the receiver drawbar. It's part of the deal. Really nice product. Comes FedEx ground. Sells for about 150 bucks. Just give us a call at 888-693-2638 or catch us on the web at earthandturfattachments.com.